So we're going to do some technical analysis on Tesla. Today we had a very, very good day for the most part before, kind of that mid to end of day kind of sell off and stagnation. So what we're looking at here is up 6% on the day. We were up $6.71. One thing that I kind of want to point out here, we did gap over the supply zone, the 5 and 10 day moving average. What we're currently looking at here is a little bit of an indecision candle. If we kind of see exactly where we stopped and where we got rejected today before we started to sell off here, you can go back to the dates of 12:30 as well as 12:29. You kind of see this area is going to correlate with today's high. So this is why this is going to be a potential two-sided trade depending on what the price action does in Tesla. Now remember, as a scalper and as a day trader, we are never trying to determine which way the stock is going to go. All we are trying to do is just have our research and our data kind of done for us prior, so that way when price action does do what it's going to do, we can simply react to what we already studied on the charts the night before. So just kind of taking a look at that, me to have interest to get long in Tesla and to try to take that next trade to the top side is going to be over this consolidation here. It needs to get over this price here of around 124. Over 124 is going to have mega room to stretch into that 130, 132 area, which is going to be the 20-day moving average. That's what I'm going to be essentially looking at for my next trade to the long side. Now, if we do put in a new high over this price here, but do not close and we start to roll over and lose the 10 and 5-day moving average, the next price that I'm going to kind of be looking at here is 113 to the downside. So anything below 113 to the downside, I would expect a retest of around 103 to 101 back down here to this floor. So those are the only two trades that I'm looking at. I think right now in this market, until we kind of either get going on our, nice little bounce or our next leg down, we kind of have to be a little bit more patient, kind of pick our spots accordingly and kind of just wait for the moves to develop and happen. Instead of trying to force the moves and put on 5, 10, 15 trades in a day, let's just kind of wait for price action to develop, give us those clear-sided trades that we can see and take advantage of. And those clear-sided trades for me is going to be over this top here of around 124. Price target 130 to 132, and anything below 114 back down to 103 and 101. Those are the two levels that I'm looking at. Those are the two levels that I'm going to be waiting for this week. If they happen, they happen. And if they don't, they don't. But I at least know that I'm going to be ready for those trades if they do come. My name is D'Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. If you guys want to get more information on how you guys can learn my style and my strategy and ways of trading, definitely make sure to take advantage of that lifetime opportunity to become a member of the community as well as a chat room. If you guys just would like to join the chat, that Discord is down in the description below. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.